Hi, this is Dr. Laura Wiedenhop, and this web short will explain what it means to have a role in EDvera. Get this little sucker started here. A big question that the department gets is, what is an EDvera role? Now, first of all, it is not necessarily related to what you do at your school. I have some schools where the registrar does everything in EDvera, so they are the chief administrator. Others where the president or owner is the sole person with EDvera access, and others where the each job, each role in EDvera is assigned to different people. They each have different levels of access, and that is the key. An EDvera role is just defining what level of access someone has to the school's dashboard and documents in EDvera. Now, there are three levels of access. There's the institutional contact, the application administrator, and the one you'll hear me harping about quite a bit is the chief administrator. Now, the institutional contact is someone who has access to all documents except for the financials. And there is only one available slot for that access level. Now, the application administrator, they have the exact same level of access as the institutional contact, but there are three slots available. And these are typically used for branch campuses or franchises, but it's up to the school who you want to assign to either of these roles. Now, the last level of access is the chief administrator, and this individual has access to all EDvera documents and is the only one who can complete the financial documents. This is our Highlander here. There can be only one. And the only time the department will assign someone as the chief administrator is when the school is seeking initial certification, because we don't know the school yet, and you might not have all of your staff rounded up for your new school. So we will assign the chief administrator role so that way you can complete all the documents. Now, so what happens if a school wants to change the chief administrator or any of the other roles, or if someone who has one of these levels of access leaves the school? So the chief administrator needs to contact the department through the EDvera help desk, and there is a big blue support button on each of the EDvera pages. So you would just click that blue support button, identify yourself, and identify the person who needs a system role and which level of access that they need, or identify the person who is no longer with the school or no longer has that particular role, and we will take them out of the EDvera role list. Now, if it is a new person who needs institutional contact or application administrator access, the school will need to complete a new administrative personnel document in EDvera and let us know in the other administrative duties text box or in the comment section what access level the person needs to have. Now, in those cases where the school needs a new chief administrator in EDvera, we will need either the president or the campus director to contact the MDHE either through the blue support button through the help desk, by email, or by telephone to change the roles of people who are already in the system. Maybe they've promoted within and somebody new is going to be the chief administrator in EDvera. Or if it's a brand new person, then they will need to complete the new administrative personnel document and identify this new person as the chief administrator, and we will take care of that on our end. It's pretty simple. Once you get used to working in EDvera, keep in mind, again, chief administrator, all documents, institutional contact, and application administrators, everything but financials. Thank you for viewing our web short on EDvera roles. If you have any questions, please contact the help desk via the blue support button or call the MDHE at 573-751-2361 and ask for someone with the proprietary unit, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks, and bye.